Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make two super easy and refreshing agua frescas de mango. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need mangoes, the juice of 1 lime, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and sugar. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to begin by making our creamy agua fresca de mango. So for that we're going to begin by peeling 7 mangoes. And you can use the little ones or the big ones. So just begin by peeling them. And of course, the riper the mango, the better. Alrighty, and once we have peeled all of our mangoes, now we're going to remove the fruit from the pit. And get as much fruit as possible. Okay, and once we have removed the mango from the pit, we're going to transfer it to our blender cup. Okay, and once we have it ready, now we can make our agua fresca. To a blender cup, we're also going to add a little bit of sugar. This is optional. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to blend with 4 cups of water. Okay, so now blending to smooth. Ready? And once we have that, we're going to transfer it to our pitcher cup. Okay, so we're going to pour to our pitcher. So then we're going to add our condensed milk. Our evaporated milk, and we're going to add more water, or you can use milk to make it even more creamier. We're going to mix. Okay, so just mix well, and at this point taste it for sugar and see if you want to add any more. For me, it's perfect. And of course, if you want it more diluted, then just add more water. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our creamy agua fresca de mango. And of course, I like to pour the ice before serving. But once we have that, we're going to set it to the side so we can make our regular agua fresca. To make our mango agua fresca, we're going to peel 7 mangoes and transfer to the blender cup. Along with that, we're going to add a little bit of sugar, the juice of our lime, and we're going to blend with 4 cups of water. Okay, so just blend until smooth. Alrighty, and just like that, we're going to transfer it to our pitcher. Transfer to pitcher. Okay, we're going to add 6 cups of water. We're going to mix it. And right here, taste it for sugar and see if you want to adjust it. And just like that, we have our delicious agua fresca de mango. And of course, once you're ready to serve, fill up your pitcher with ice. Get your cups ready so we can get ready to enjoy. All right, and just garnish with mangoes. And just like that. Grab your straw and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. All you need is just a few ingredients and they're just going to be perfect, you know, especially for this heat. So we're going to begin with our crema, with our cremosita agua fresca. Of course, just make sure that you mix them before you take a sip. But I hope you give them a try. Cheers and enjoy. This one right here, so creamy, so refreshing. It's not too sweet, but of course, you know, you take control over that. But this right here, if you ever had one of those popsicles, you know, the mango popsicles, they made out of milk, and you like those, let me tell you that you're going to love this agua. It's so good. It's so good. You can taste the mango. It's just perfect. Okay, so now let's go with our regular agua fresca de mango, and this one is more refreshing. If this one was refreshing, this is going to be even more. It's because of the little hint of lime. You can taste a little lime, but the mango, it's so good. Now let me know if you give them a try, which one is your favorite, because they're both the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home. Make some delicious and refreshing agua frescas de mango. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.